Hello, welcome back to my house and welcome back to my channel. I'm Laura Cepeda and today I'm going to show you the second part of this beautiful men's set. Remember that the last Wednesday, I showed you how you can make these beautiful gloves. Well, now I will show you how you can make this neck or collar, okay? And with this, we will complete the men's set, okay? If you haven't watched the previous video where I show you how you can make the gloves, well, here in the description box I will leave you the link so you can watch the instructions to complete the set. Okay, we are going to need the same material. Now I'm going to repeat the materials in case you missed them in the last video, but you are not going to need any more. You are going to need the same quantity of material. But well, let's start. I will give you the material list again. Well, for this men's set, we are going to need 200 grams of Show Alice. It's a fine material in this color and one hook of number 4 and one hook of number 10 for the neck. If you want to use the same materials that I use in all my videos, here I will leave all the information. Remember that if you want to buy and use the same materials that I use in all my videos, you can visit my online store www.lauracepeda.es. Hello, I have a big announcement to make. I want to share with all of you that now you can download and you can buy all my magazines in this new app of My Ideas. Just you have to download the app of My Ideas and there you can find all the different numbers and all the different volumes that I have made with this amazing editorial. You will see that these amazing magazines are so easy to follow. Remember that these magazines are written by me and I share all the diagrams so you can follow and clearly make these amazing projects with me. So please don't miss it and download all the magazines. Look, this is the neck. I will show you how we are going to make it. This is a nice stitch and so easy. It's a stitch that we have used before, so it's going to be very easy for you, and we are going to crochet like this. With one thread and with our hook of number 10, we are going to start making chains. We are going to make as many chains as we need for the width or for the tall of our neck. Remember, if you want to fold it, well, you have to make more chains. In this case, I want to fold it and I'm going to make 30 chains. Well, when we finish the row, chain 1, and we are going to come back and we are going to start to crochet in the second chain. We are going to make single crochet. We are always going to take the below part of the chain to make this single crochet. Remember that if you make 30 stitches, well, you must have 30 single crochets. And like this, the whole row. Well, for the next row, turn around and without making chain, we are going to continue right away. We are going to continue making rib stitch. The rib stitch is like this. It's like single crochet, but only taking the back part of the chain. Like this. Look, this part of the chain. Also remember that if you make 30 chains, you must have 30 rib stitches. Well, I know that there are a lot of different ways of how you can make a neck. This is the easiest. I remember that I always show you the easiest and the fastest way to make a garment. So I think in my experience that this is the easiest way to make a neck. Okay, if you know a better way or an easy way to make it, please let me know and leave me a comment or share this idea with me to my email. Well, you are going to make as many rows as you need according for the neck or for the person you are going to crochet this neck. Okay, remember that we are going to, from now on, we are going to crochet the long of our neck. If you are making this neck for a kid, well, probably you will make less rows. I'm making this color for an adult, so at the end I will tell you how many rows I will need. Well, at the end of this row, you are just going to, and we are going to finish the row like this. In some cases, I always take both the two parts of the chain, but in this case I'm going to take only the back part of the chain to continue with the rib stitch. We are going to finish like this, and without making chain we are going to go up and we are going to continue right away making the rib stitch, and like this we are going to continue as many rows as we need. Okay, remember not to pull too much, remember to make the chains a little bit loose. Well, let's continue and see you when I finish to make the rows that I need. Well, I made approximately 35 rows. Okay, if you want to make more, well, you probably will need more material. Remember that we are going to fold it and it will look like this. I will show you how we are going to join it. We are going to use our hook. Remember to leave a long thread to join. Well, at the end with the long thread that we left, we are going to join. With our hook, we are going to make single crochet. Well, we are going to take one stitch from here, taking the both parts of the chain, and one stitch from the other side. Be careful, sometimes we may confuse which is the stitch we have to take. But look, these little threads here of these chains, it's the one that we are going to take. Then single crochet, and again we are going to take one stitch from this side, taking the both parts of the chain, and then we are going to look for the other stitch and single crochet. Okay, be careful, please don't skip stitches. Take one stitch from one side and one stitch from the other side, and like this is how we are going to join with our hook. I know that also you can join with your embroidery needle, but in this case I want to use the things that we have. And look, we don't create any pleat or anything. It looks if we were using the same stitch. Well, at the end of the row, cut the thread and make a chain, pull and pull. Well, like this will be finished. And here I have the thread where I started. So I'm going to make a knot, and then with my hook I will hide all of these threads. It's important that you don't cut where you started the threads, okay? Because this may undo. What you should do is to hide all these threads through all your project, and with this we make sure that we don't undo what we crocheted. Okay, well, with this we'll be finished. I hope that you like it, and now let's see how it looks our complete set. Well, what do you think? Easy and fast, right? As I told you at the beginning, I think that you are going to take 30 minutes or less to make this neck. Please, if you make less or more time, please let me know, leave me in the comments. And also, if you are going to make this men's set, take a picture and tag me. I love to see you wearing all the creations and all the projects that we make together. Okay, let me know. This is the best reward, and knowing that you can make the things that I show you, that I share with you. Well, I hope that you have spent our great holidays with all your family. Thank you so much, and see you next Wednesday. And stay tuned, okay? Bye!